need to slide the whole thing back. Just pinch it and all the way back. You put an empty one in. Watch where you're pointing it. Press the button and pull it out. Put one with bullets in it. Click the slide release. Watch your grip. Yeah, there you go.